happening right now. Pro-abortion rights advocates are taking part in a town hall hosted by the Arizona Students Association, demanding action to protect abortion rights. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink is live from the town hall at El Rio Neighborhood Center on the west side with more on what they're asking for. Eric.
Sean, good evening to you. This town hall coming just days after the Arizona State Supreme Court agreed to hear an abortion case that could turn the clock back here in Arizona to 1864 and put an abortion law that was on the books back then back in effect. That was nearly 50 years before Arizona was a state. Tonight, a grassroots event put on by pro-choice supporters. This event put on by the Arizona Students Association, college students and pro-choice supporters sharing their personal stories tonight. Pro-choice groups band together to try and put a measure on the November 2024 ballot called the Arizona Abortion Access Act. It would allow abortions up to 24 weeks of pregnancy. Right now, Arizona has a 15-week abortion ban in place. I spoke with both sides about this effort.
We have conflicting statutes. We have a lot of people who are left out of critical health care when they need it the most. A constitutional amendment is the straightest way forward. It is the way that we can get rid of the bad statute. We can go forward and say 8 in 10 Arizonans agree that abortion should be safe and legal, and it should be a decision that is made between a doctor and the person who's pregnant.
If this constitutional amendment passes, then we will wind up here in Arizona to have a California style or a New York style abortion law, where taxpayers will be paying for abortions, where abortion will be legal up to the point of birth under some very broad exemptions.
And hear from a student coming up tonight at 10 o'clock. Now, these pro-choice groups working to get this abortion measure on next November's ballot have to collect nearly 384,000 signatures from registered voters statewide by next July in order to put this question in front of Arizona voters next November. We'll have more on this story coming up tonight at 10 o'clock. We're live for now from the west side. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.